सभी दर्शकों को नमस्कार. Welcome to this exciting session, AI for Modern Learning, Applications in Philosophy. Today we're diving into a world where ancient wisdom meets cutting-edge technology. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Imagine understanding the Bhagavad Gita or exploring complex ethical dilemmas not through heavy books, but with the assistance of smart interactive AI tools. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how AI can revolutionize the way we learn, understand, and apply philosophy in daily life. So, why should you watch this video? By the end of this session, you'll discover how AI tools simplify ancient concepts like Dharma or Moksha, ways to interactively explore ethical dilemmas and philosophical debates, practical applications of philosophy using AI for self-growth and decision-making. So let's get started. 1. Philosophical exploration made easy. Have you ever wondered what makes the 6 schools of Indian philosophy so profound yet so hard to grasp? Using AI tools like ChatGPT, you can generate quick overviews of systems like Vedanta, Nyaya, or Samkhya. For example, use this prompt. Act as an Indian philosophy scholar, explain Samkhya philosophy in simple terms to a teen having no prior knowledge in any field of philosophy, and use relatable examples in your response. Ask for daily life application. How to apply this knowledge for stress management, like identifying what's in my control and what's not. In this way, AI could be a quick entry point to deeper study, accessible for learners of all ages. 2. Resolving doubts instantly when tackling big questions like what is the difference between moksha and nirvana. AI tools like Perplexity can provide context-specific answers in seconds with citations. Prompt. How do moksha and nirvana differ in Indian philosophy? You can also use this response as a foundation to explore further readings. You can either use the provided sources at top or ask for something in the Ask Follow-up box. 3. Scenario-based learning philosophy isn't just about theories, it's about applying those ideas in real-world scenarios. With AI, you can simulate thought experiments like the Trolley Problem. Prompt. Act as a philosophy scholar. Imagine I'm in the trolley problem scenario. What are my options and their ethical consequences? Output may be a breakdown of utilitarianism versus deontology, helping you understand ethical decision-making in an engaging and interactive way. 4. Q&A practice and study guides. Preparing for an exam on Indian philosophy? AI tools can create flashcards, quizzes, or even mock Q&A sessions. Prompt. Generate flashcards on the Upanishads and a quiz comparing Advaita Vedanta and Dvaita Vedanta. Help me actively recall key ideas to strengthen my understanding. 5. Simplifying dense texts. Different versions for philosophical texts like the Bhagavad Gita can be daunting. That's where Notebook LM comes in. You can upload different versions or their links. Prompt. Summarize Chapter 2 of the Gita focusing on the concept of Nishkama Karma. The benefit is that dense material becomes digestible and actionable. 6. Kids' stories and cross-cultural comparisons. Ever tried explaining Dharma to a child? AI can create fun stories that simplify complex ideas. Use prompt. Generate a story about a farmer who balances personal happiness with community welfare to explain Dharma. Compare Indian ideas of Dharma with Aristotle's concept of virtue ethics. With AI, philosophy becomes relatable for beginners, children, and even curious adults. 7. Historical context and debate. Preparation. Curious about the influence of Indian philosophy on Greek thought? AI tools like Gemini can uncover these connections. Example. How did Indian philosophy influence Greek ideas? Give insights into trade, cultural exchanges, and shared principles like the pursuit of knowledge and ethics. Also ask this to AI. 8. Adaptive learning and feedback. AI can analyze essays or arguments, providing personalized feedback for improvement. So write anything and ask AI to help and teach you. 9. Decision-making in daily life. Philosophy isn't just theoretical. It shapes decisions. Use this prompt with AI. You can try voice instead of typing. Today we explored how AI tools can transform the study of philosophy, from simplifying complex ideas to enabling interactive learning. From resolving doubts to applying philosophy in daily life decision-making. AI tools make philosophical learning accessible, efficient, engaging, and practical for everyone. Help you empower and expand decision-making knowledge. Want to dive deeper? I mean in philosophy, not water. Join our free course for assignments and quizzes. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. धन्यवाद और नमस्कार.